updates. We got the, well, that's not the best lighting, but we did get the title for this guy, so we can kind of keep moving on it. I bought a new starter off of Amazon, just the cheapest one on Amazon. I'm sure it'll work at least for a little bit, you know, straightforward. It is one of those gear reduction ones, so I like them better. They're just a lot easier to work with as far as getting your hands around all the bolts. So I'll go ahead and throw this thing in right now. We'll see if it still starts, and then we will get moving on the rest of what it needs. Back here, coming into focus, we are looking at the 82 diesel K5. We're gonna try to do a test drive and a true cold start. This one's been sitting for about 2 weeks. Left the batteries connected. Don't know if it has a parasitic draw. One battery's got 1,000 cold cranking amps. One has 600, so the 600 is too small of a battery for the truck. But let's see if it'll fire off. New starter, which was working well. I'm gonna go grab a shift knob for it while it warms up. I don't know if I was recording or not, but it took about, let's see, 8 gallons, 8.5 gallons, and I did do an infrared gun on the head. Nothing was overheating. My gauge dummy light is not going off, but I don't have an actual gauge, so I couldn't really tell, and I don't want to overheat the thing. But for now, I'll say that gas gauge is pretty accurate. Actually, I bet that gas gauge works. You know what? Let's see, the front caliper was walking up over here. I think it was on the passenger side. I'm only going a quarter of a mile, so nothing's too hot. Let's get back to it. Let's see how long that lasts before it falls. Let's go. Squirrely. That's all gears, 1, 2, and 3. Speedo doesn't work, and the steering is very wandery. I don't want to go too fast. Let's pull over and see if the engine's getting hot. We'll find a neighborhood. Here's as good of any. And I don't think our brakes have locked up yet, so let's check it out. E-brake don't work though, so. Ooh, it's a nice view.